Starting a YouTube channel without appearing on camera might seem impossible, but thousands of creators are doing just that and making serious money. If you've been holding back because you don't want to show your face or use your voice, this video is for you. Hey there, welcome back. Today, I'm breaking down 10 crazy YouTube channel ideas where you can stay completely anonymous while still building a profitable channel. And here's the kicker. The first idea on this list might just be the most profitable, so stick around till the end. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more YouTube growth tips. 1. Next-level tech and inventions technology is evolving at an insane speed, and people love discovering new inventions, futuristic gadgets, and mind-blowing tech breakthroughs. A simple search for latest inventions on YouTube will show you hundreds of channels thriving in this niche. The best part? You don't need to create original footage. Just compile stock videos, add AI voiceovers, and you're set. Want proof? Grab any successful channel link and plug it into Social Blade to see their estimated earnings. Spoiler alert, it's a lot. Second, gaming insights and reviews. No, you don't need to play games or live stream for hours. Instead, you can build a channel around top game recommendations, best gaming strategies, comparisons between different games. Try searching for top 10 FPS shooting games and see the number of faceless channels reviewing and ranking games. Many of them are just using trailers and gameplay footage while providing engaging commentary. Check their Social Blade stats, and you'll see how lucrative this niche can be. 3. The art of illusions and magic. Tricks, magic, and illusion-based content never gets old. People love watching tricks being explained, learning optical illusions, or seeing unbelievable magic performances. Take a look at Crafty Panda, a faceless channel in this niche, making over $30,000 per month with animated magic trick videos. If animation sounds too complicated, don't worry. There are online tools that help create these videos with zero experience. The power of psychology and human behavior. Ever wondered why some people are more successful than others? Or how body language can reveal hidden emotions? Psychology-based channels break down human behavior, relationships, and mental hacks in an easy-to-understand way. One successful example is Brainy Dose, which creates simple stock footage videos with AI voiceovers, no face needed. This niche gets high watch time, which means more revenue from YouTube ads. 5. Sports highlights and storytelling. You might think sports content is risky because of copyright, but here's the trick. Use short clips under 10 seconds. Add commentary or analysis. Compile and transform content in a unique way. Instead of covering all sports, focus on a sub-niche like basketball tactics, MMA breakdowns, or soccer highlights. For inspiration, check out Non-Stop Sports, a channel making well over $20,000 per month just by summarizing sports moments. 6. Aviation and aircraft insights. Aviation enthusiasts love content about planes, military aircraft, and futuristic air travel concepts. If you search for biggest planes in the world, you'll find faceless channels compiling stock footage of aircraft and adding AI voiceovers. This niche has evergreen content, meaning your videos will continue gaining views long after they're uploaded. 7. Exploring countries and cultures. With 195 countries in the world, there's an endless supply of content in this niche. Videos like 10 Things You Didn't Know About Japan or Weird Laws in Different Countries perform exceptionally well. A quick YouTube search for Dubai Facts shows multiple faceless channels thriving in this space. And the best part? These videos don't require expensive editing, just stock footage and basic narration. 8. The rise of ASMR food content. ASMR videos, especially those featuring food, explode in views because they tap into people's sensory experiences. If you search food ASMR on YouTube, you'll find thousands of creators simply recording sounds of eating, cooking, or cutting food. Not comfortable recording yourself? No problem. You can outsource ASMR content for as little as $5 on Fiverr and turn this into a hands-off cash cow. 9. Celebrity moments and pop culture. People love watching their favorite celebrities in unexpected or funny moments. A quick search for Billie Eilish funny moments will show you dozens of faceless compilation channels racking up millions of views. One prime example is Hyperloop, a channel that posts celebrity bloopers, interviews, and behind-the-scenes clips without ever showing their face. This niche is highly engaging, making it perfect for monetization. The what-if niche, future scenarios and hypothetical questions. If you enjoy thought-provoking content, the what-if niche is a goldmine. Popular channels in this space cover mind-bending scenarios like, what if the Earth had 2 moons? What if humans never needed sleep? What if the ocean disappeared overnight? One top-performing channel in this niche is What If, which keeps viewers hooked with compelling storytelling and simple visuals. You can replicate this format using stock footage and AI-generated scripts. Final thoughts. Which one will you try? There you have it. 10 powerful YouTube channel ideas that don't require showing your face. Which one stood out to you the most? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future YouTube growth hacks. See you in the next video.